Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use auto wipe feature on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the dashboard, the screen behind the steering wheel, and here you can navigate by using both keys from the steering wheel, the left and the right arrows. So let's highlight here the settings. So let me press the right arrow a few times, highlight settings and press OK button to confirm it. Then from the list of settings, you need to scroll down until you see such thing as vehicle settings. Alright, under vehicle settings, you've got a few things, a few sections that you can enter, and one of them is wipers. So let me tap wipers, let me just press it by using OK button, of course, and then the second option is auto wipe. So this activates the rain sensor located behind your rear view mirror. How it works: when the car stock is set to the auto position, like it's right now, the wiper will start moving only when it detects rain on the glasses. It will also adjust their frequency based on how heavy the rain is. So it's an amazing feature. I really recommend to enabling this auto wipe, but sometimes it's get crazy. So sometimes it's good to know when you can turn it off. So this is the place when you can turn it on or off, this auto wipe function. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider to leave a like. Bye.